Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it's all about gold in the markets in the last 24 hours after hitting another record high. But the indecisiveness in the market, as you can see on the chart here, on the intraday chart, is that we've pulled back just roughly about $40–50 because there is a worry that with Trump's initial reaction to his extra tariffs on steel and aluminium, we're seeing that could hit a lot of the global trade market as well. So even though gold has been something that a lot of traders flock to in times of uncertainty, we're seeing now a little bit more of a pullback, rightly so, because obviously this mega rally needs a bit of breathing room before it can continue. So are we going to hit the $3,000 area anytime soon? Well, we do have a little bit more, just over $100 to go, but that's not really something that has worried a lot of bulls in the near term. So as you can see here, I've just pulled this all the way back to a few weeks ago where we saw from the beginning of the year, a bit of a sell-off in markets. So this is at the end of the year, but then since then, going from 2,600 up to 2,900, over $300 being added in such a short space of time. This is really, really remarkable. And we did actually think that with Donald Trump being in the White House for another 4 years, he was going to impose tariffs. He was going to probably start a trade war. So naturally, gold would be something that a lot of economists and traders go to, which has been said. However, it's expected to hit Americans hard in the near term because inflation is expected to creep higher. So we could see a bit of a swing in the next couple of weeks of higher inflation, meaning the dollar might spike as well, meaning gold could have a bit of a sell-off. So just be wary if you are long on gold that this pullback could be a little bit more than just a few dollars being shaved off at the moment. So very, very indecisive at the moment because we're seeing the RSI not only peak but drop dramatically down to the oversold area as well. This is on the 1 hour chart now on the intraday. So it's just something to look forward to. Obviously embrace it if you are trading, but just obviously be wary as well because price action can flip as we can see with Donald Trump being in the office for the next 4 years, that's for sure. So let's just take a quick look at the dollar index as well. We just want to pull this back on the daily chart actually because we have seen such a momentous ride on the dollar. So as I said, from the last quarter, we've seen that price action has bounced from the $100 area and then we moved over $10 up to a new high. But since then, we have seen this very, very choppy action, massive false spike in that regard on the daily chart, but now just hovering around 108. So it is a little bit precarious at the moment. We're just waiting to see the next signal, obviously CPI data this week, and 2 testimonies from Jerome Powell to see what he's going to say. Maybe he'll resign, who knows, if inflation does start creeping higher because it's bound to start moving away from the 2% target that the Fed has really tried in the last 2 years to get down to. So obviously, we'll bring you all the latest in the technicals and fundamentals as they come on our Telegram and YouTube channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. If you are trading gold, please let me know what you think about it as well. As I said, please feel free to leave a comment on our YouTube channel and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So until next time, bye for now.